Paul Rubens is a brand of high-quality painting materials that includes oil and watercolor and many more. I just received this watercolor paper and the watercolor paints from Paul Rubens. And I'm going to show you how to use these two products to do the watercolor painting that you just saw in the beginning of this video. Holidays are coming up around the corner. This will be perfect for your greeting card projects. If you want to get your own set of these two products, look into the video descriptions for the coupon code. Use the link to go to the online store to find out more information of these two products. For the brushes, I use this set of enjoyingart brushes. One is the calligraphy brush, one is just the 1-inch flat brush. If you want to learn more about these two brushes, just go to the website enjoyingart.com brushes. If you're already an enjoyingart member, now you can go to enjoyingart Learning Center to view the full version of this video and download the reference. Now let me show you how I start this painting. I already applied some masking fluid. I'm going to do a little bit more drawings with watercolor. So I'm going to use this a little bit light blue color. And this is the top of her head. And this is the foot. The shoulder style over here is approximately divided into third. So I'm going to have this would be the coat like this. This will be the shape. Focus on what's the shape look like. Try to simplify it. That's just the arm right over here. And I'm going to have the coat here. And this arm coming over here, that's the elbow. And then take a look at the foot over here. And in the middle is, that will be the knee. I'm going to put it over here. Coming down over here, all the way. That's the leg. Now I'm going to start painting from the sky coming down. I'm going to use this large brush. It maybe looks like a little bit too big for this small paper, but it would be just perfect. And start from the sky, from the top over here. Here we go. A little bit red at the bottom. So I'm going to have a little bit red color, a little bit. Here we go. And I'm going to have it all the way at the bottom over here, from the left to the right. That's okay. Come back with the blue color for the ocean. By the way, we have 3 sets of these two Paul Rubens products. We're going to send them to 3 lucky winners. In our next video, we're going to announce how you can participate in this contest. I'm going to from here all the way coming down this way and have a little red mix into it and have a little bit water, make it a little bit lighter. Now take a look, and the color coming over here. But I'm going to have some dry brush like that. I'm going to pick this brown color over here. Put that. I think this is pretty good with a little water right in here. And I'm going to leave a little light shape in between. Here you go. With a small painting like this, you got to use a calligraphy brush like this. And very flexible for different sizes application. Just a little bit blue mixed into this brown color. Here you go. Now I'm going to put in the water. That's good. Like that. I'm going to use this blue color. I'm going to take a look from here. Add some darker color. I have some very dark color over here. And just give a little bit dots. And here you go. For the very close distance, some foreground objects, you want to have a little bit more details, a little bit more clear indications. A little yellow-ish. That's good. A little bit like that too. It's very small. That's good. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to let go some of this color, very, very bright. I'm going to let go a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to do a little bit lifting. the light shape. Just let go the wet in the brush. Just lift some color up. It's very easy. Just a little bit lighter. You don't need to have it totally white. There you go. This paper very easy to lift. Okay, that's very nice. If you like to see more paintings that I did with the beach scene of my online gallery at yongchen.com, go take a look at it. Okay, that's good. Coming over here, give a little suggestions like that. That's good. That's good. I'm gonna wait a few minutes. I'm gonna remove the masking fluid. Okay, I'm gonna just use my finger. Remove the masking fluid. Very easy. Alright, that's very good. Now I'm going to start painting into the main objects with the person. Now I'm going to start painting the head. I'm going to have a little bit burnt umber and put it into the head here. Okay, start painting into the light side area. That's good. Like this. Wrap around. And then on this side, lift the highlight. It's just this color is not enough. You have to have other color to make it a little bit darker and neutral. Okay, that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna mix that with the blue color. Okay, a little bit this pleasant blue and have the burnt umber and have a little bit red color, a little bit blue. Okay, that's good. That's color. It's very dark. Watch out the size and proportion. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna come in all the way over here, over the line. That's good. You can leave a little bit background. That's good. And have a little bit darker shape on the light side and the edge over here, like that. I can have the hair coming all the way down over here. Oh, that's good. Add some shadow side of her clothes. I'm going to take this color, get a little bit blue over here. That's just good. I'm just going to paint into the shadow side. Okay, here we go. Coming over here. And there's the shadow side. To the pants. Now I'm going to first, is going to give it a little bit lighter color for the lighter side. I'm going to have a little red color mixed into here. That's good. Like this. And here we go. Think about the whole big shape. Yeah, not that big over here. Now here you go. Now I'm going to paint the shape for the pants. The shadow and the light side. Okay, here coming over here. And straight coming down. I'm going to add a little bit blue. Also paint the whole thing in the same color first. Now at this point, we're going to use a little bit brown color mixed into this. I'm going to start painting the reflection. And start over here. Start over here, straight from that. Okay. Here you go. A little big zigzag, a little big shape like that. And then start having a little bit break. Like that. And then I'm going to have a little bit darker, a little bit more clear at the top over here. There you go. Like that. Alright, I'm going to paint the catch the shadow. And I'm going to have some color. Mix the two colors together. Make it darker. The red and the pleasant blue. They can make a very, very dark color. Here you go. Now I'm going to start over here. And here you go. Start from here. Put it down directly to this leg. And there's another line going to add to the other foot. Okay, connect to that. And then when you're coming over here, a little bit lighter and lighter, show a little bit more and more blue color. So I'm going to get just the blue color over here. Here you go. Now I'm going to have it right here. Connect that. Okay, that's good. A little bit lighter. Okay, now I'm going to have the lighter blue color at the end. Now start from here. A little bit. Here you go. Like it disappear. Okay, I'm going to have this pleasant blue have a little bit red color mixed into it. That's pretty dark. Okay, that's good. Get a little bit water. Here you go. Now here we go. Now I'm going to have this shadow shape. Here we go. The shadow shape right here. That's good. I'm going to get a little bit detail here. That's very good. I'm going to add a little water. Start dilute the color a little bit. Okay. Here you go. Have that a little bit softer. Coming down. That's good. Keep coming down. Here we go. Down over here. Coming this way. Here we go. A little bit straight. And the whole side over here. That's the shape. Looking for the shape. Coming the whole area here is darker. And I'm going to have a little line over here going through. Like that. That's good. And here you go. Some fold. And be patient. And start from this arm. Okay, one line. Another line like this. That's good. And a little line coming here from the top. But don't continue yet. I'm going to have a little lighter color continue into that because that has some light over there. Take a look at the change of the width of the pattern. Okay, here we go. Here you go. That's good. Very interesting. Okay, here you go. Take a look at this a little bit thinner and coming a little bit wider. Okay, because that's in the middle. I'm gonna have this a little bit wider like that. Here you go, like another one over here. A little bit isolated shape. Okay, that's good. A little bit on the top over there. Okay, I'm gonna put this dark color even in here, on top of the head. Okay, now I'm gonna have some shape from the left to the right. Observe, and this need to be lighter. I'm gonna have this much lighter. Here you go. And here you go, like this. And here, start over here. Observe, look, analyze it, and then represent it. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to add a little bit brown color, suggesting that is the hand right here. If you really like to learn watercolor painting, please come to join us at enjoyingart.com to become a member. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, subscribe, and turn on notification. I will look forward to see you in our next video.